In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a file on Google Drive. This process is quite straightforward and should only take a few minutes. To get started, let's head over to Google Drive. Open your preferred web browser and type drive.google.com into the address bar. Sign into your Google account if you're prompted to do so. This is an essential step because being logged in gives you access to your files and all Google Drive functionalities. Once you're in your Google Drive, navigate to the file you wish to export. This could be a Google Doc, a Google Sheet, or a Google Slide. Locate the file by browsing through your folders or simply use the search bar at the top of the page to make things quicker. When you found your file, click on it to open it in its respective app. For instance, Google Docs files will open in Google Docs, Sheets files in Google Sheets, and so on. Now that your file is open, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. You'll want to click on the File menu. This menu contains several options related to file management, and one of these options is crucial for us today. Hover over Download in the drop-down list. This action will reveal a submenu with various file format options you can choose from. Selecting the right format depends on how you intend to use the exported file. Let's go over some popular formats you might consider. If you need a format that preserves the document's layout and is difficult to edit, opt for PDF document, but PDF. This is ideal for sharing files where keeping the text and images in a specific layout is crucial, such as contracts or professional reports. On the other hand, if you want the file to be editable in Microsoft Word, choose Microsoft Word .docx. This format is great if you're collaborating with someone using Microsoft Office software. Lastly, for a simplistic approach where only the text matters and formatting is not an issue, you can select plain text, ekati, dexti. This format strips the document of any styling, making it lightweight and universally accessible across platforms. Once you've decided on the format, click on it. The export process should begin immediately, downloading the file to your computer's default download location. Check your Downloads folder or your browser's download manager to confirm that the file has been successfully exported. And that's it. You've now learned how to export a file from Google Drive efficiently. By following these steps, you'll be ready to share or edit your document in whatever format you prefer. Keep practicing these steps to become more familiar with them, and feel free to try exporting different file types to see the unique options available for each. Thanks for watching and happy exporting.